I'd like to talk to you about mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is a word that as I talk to people about refinancing or buying a home, and oh, by the way, Richie Bauman, NMLS number 957614, can't forget that, compliance stuff. So I talked about mortgage insurance, and everybody's like, I hate paying mortgage insurance. I don't like mortgage insurance. Let's just make sure we're all on the same page what it is and what it does for you. Mortgage insurance is something you pay for the privilege of having less than a large down payment, usually about 20%. What does it do? Small down payments are riskier loan. So lenders want to know that they've got some backing to it, and that mortgage insurance pays their expenses if you don't make your mortgage payment. So now a lender's willing to give you a loan with a smaller to no down payment because they got this insurance policy to protect them. Now, it's not such a horrible thing because that helps you buy a house. But now let's also talk, there's ways to pay for it. Now, most people know that you can pay for it monthly. It's part of your monthly mortgage payment, goes in, comes out off to the lender every month. That's the normal. But there are other ways you can do it. You can do what's called a single pay. That is, you make a one lump sum payment one time, and the mortgage insurance is not part of your monthly payment. Now, that may not be right for everybody, but I've just done several of them because based upon their scenario, it made perfect sense financially for them to do that. So make sure you're talking about it when you're going to get a loan. Another way you can do it is lender paid. Lender paid is basically a lender like me is going to pay your mortgage insurance, but it's probably through a higher interest rate, and they're buying it out with the interest rate. Now, sometimes that doesn't make sense again. Every one of these, it all depends upon your individual scenario. So I just want to educate, make sure you know what to do and about it, and so you can talk more intelligently when you go get your next loan. Now, when you're buying a house, there's a thing called a seller credit. If you haven't heard about seller credits, I'm going to be talking more about those on my channel, so you can find that video. But understand a seller credit can do number two, single pay. That may make sense for you too. So take this from the video. Mortgage insurance, or PMI, is a great thing. It helps a lot of people get a house that can. And there's a lot of ways you can pay it that works best for your financial situation. Richie Bauman, NMLS 957614.